Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach and I'm here today to do a little unboxing video of a Gucci bag. And you guys, this bag will come to as no surprise. You will totally understand why I picked it up once I unboxed it. And I want to share with you not only the unboxing, but just some tips in terms of where to find good deals. And I will also give you this particular seller's name once I unbox it. But I wanted to show you the packaging first of all because it was packaged really well. And it came totally wrapped in brown paper. It came with tape, basically saying like if this is cut, don't open it. So I really thought the packaging was stellar, lots of tape, very secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all this off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what's inside the box. Okay, I'm back. Even underneath all of that paper and tape was more tape, which I love. The more secure, the better, right? So I'm gonna open it up here and show you how it is packaged inside. It has some bubble wrap on top. It has some beautiful tissue, and then it has the business card or like a business sticker for this particular seller. And oops, her name is Palms Reluxed is the name of her company. I'm gonna link her Facebook page below where she sells stuff. She has tons of Louis Vuitton stuff and Gucci stuff. I'm sure she has other luxury brands. Those are the two that I saw when I looked through her listings. And frankly, her prices are really good. So go take a look at her page on Facebook. She also sent me a little cute little gift with my purchase, which we all love to get when we pick up stuff from private sellers. It's always fun to get a little gift. So here is the bag inside, more wrapping, love it, with another of her stickers on the top. And it has a dust bag I'm gonna open for you guys. Really great dust bag, nice and soft, white, so you don't get any color transfer. And here's a little peek of what I picked up. It is a Gucci Soho tote, and it is in this beautiful purple color. How gorgeous is this thing? Oh my gosh. It's even better than I thought it was gonna be. Honestly, it is so nice and bright, really beautiful, rich purple color. You guys who follow my channel know I'm obsessed with purple, and you also know that I love Gucci Soho totes because I already have one back there. I have the teal nubuck leather Gucci Soho, so this is gonna go on the shelf right where that page 27 is and sit right next to it. I cannot wait to use it. It always amazes me how lightweight these are. I mean, they have chain hardware, it's leather. It should be a very heavy bag, but it's just not. Let's look in the inside. Oh, just gorgeous. Really gorgeous. No odors whatsoever. Totally clean, totally clean. Not even any corner wear, which this particular style does get pretty bad corner wear just because of how it's sewn. So totally pristine condition, no issues. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Palm, for selling it to me. I can't recommend her Facebook store enough. Go check it out. As I said, I'm gonna link it below. She's awesome to work with, and like I said, I mean, her prices are really great. And I just want to mention to you guys, you know, I get a lot of questions about like where I find the best deals. And honestly, it's a mix of places, but Facebook is one of my favorite places to look for deals because I feel like people sell lower there since there's no overhead. They're not paying fees to Poshmark or eBay. So you see the prices there a little bit lower than other resale sites. It's also great for selling if you have stuff to sell because you don't have to pay those fees. So I definitely recommend selling stuff there as long as you're going through something like PayPal invoice where you are protected. There's not much that can happen where you're gonna get scammed. You just have to make sure not to pay through friends and family because that's when you're gonna run into problems. I will say the best thing to do is to go join collector groups for brands that you like And I particularly like the groups that are labeled REETZY, REETZY. They're run by some really great admins that really care about keeping scammers out and about keeping their members happy. So I definitely recommend searching that in Facebook and then picking out the groups of the particular brands of handbags that you're looking for, and just following along, watching what people sell, watching how people sell. You can ask questions there. So it's definitely a great place to kind of get information about certain brands and also to buy and sell. Highly recommend it if you are on Facebook. I know not everyone is. But yeah, just my little unboxing for today and a couple little tips for you about Facebook, and I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I'm super happy with this purchase and I cannot wait to use it. And if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them below as always, as well as any video requests that you might have. And if you have not subscribed, I hope that you will, and you will join me for future unboxings, but also reviews and comparison videos, that sort of thing. Anything related to handbags. Clearly you see I have a lot of them. I know you'll love my channel if you love handbags like I do. All right, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.